Okay, I'm going to jump down to number 3. This is one of the starred ones, so this is going to be a bonus to anyone that is checking this out over the break, because I'm basically doing one of your assigned problems for you. So this one's a little bit different. Numbers way over here to the side, but we can move it around. They drew in an apothem for us. I can draw on the rest of my right triangle by drawing in a radius or the hypotenuse right there. And because I know my apothem splits my side in half, I know that my base is 6. So when I have this figure, I'm now looking at this triangle right here. I know that my base is 6, and I know this is a right angle. In order to find my apothem, or my height, I need to take advantage and find that little piece of angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my figure and I'm going to say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, which means my central angle is going to be 360 divided by 8. And 360 divided by 8 is going to give me 45 degrees. But I'm not looking at the whole angle. I'm looking at just a half for the right triangle. So I divide that by 2, and I get that my angle right here is 22.5 degrees. Right? Just by cutting that 45 in half, I get the 22.5 degrees. From there, I need to find my apothem, or that height of my triangle. Based on the 22.5 degrees, this side is opposite, this side is adjacent, which means tangent. So I can set up tangent of 22.5 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. Moving this around, I get that x is equal to 6 over tangent 22.5 degrees. And I can then plug that in. So on my calculator, 6 divided by 22.5 tangent equals, I get that my apothem or height is going to be 14.485. is going to be the height of that side. Let me move this on over a little bit. Okay, so with that, I know the height, I know the base, so I can find the area of the triangle like I did before. So my area of my triangle is going to be 1/2 my base of 6, my height of 14.485. 14.485 times 6 divided by 2, which gives me 43.455. And like before, I asked myself how many of these right triangles fit in my whole figure. Well, since I've got 8 sides, I'm going to have 16 right triangles. So the whole shape is going to be 16 times 43.455, which gives me a final total area of 695.28 units. And then obviously squared. One little word to the wise for this problem, I did go ahead and round at this step right here. Depending on how you're calculating this with your calculator, if you can keep it all the way through, you will get a more precise answer. So for writing it down, I kind of started rounding here, but if you can kind of keep the number on your screen and use it all the way through, you might get a slightly more precise answer at the end. So just be aware of that.